Today we are with my boy,
Yeah, hello,
Iranian
everyone.
OG,
Yeah.
aka Mike. He's here. So we are talking about relationship on the way to gym. What's the main issue in relationship? What do you think?
Relationship itself, bro, is the issue.
I need to give you a microphone.
Yeah.
Here's the magnet.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We shouldn't. Yeah, you
Oh,
can.
no
you can
need.
use it.
Oh, okay.
So
Let me install.
what's the main
first.
issue?
Oh, well, I think the relationship itself is the main issue. Actually, by nature, relationship by nature has a lot of issue, but it depends on the person who you want to go in relationship with. But
But
yeah,
But first you meet the person, she or he is different.
yeah,
And
exactly.
then it takes time and then you realize this person, she has been changed.
Yeah.
She's not this girl, like
Yeah.
not that shy, pretty girl anymore.
Exactly.
You see a damn monster in your bedroom.
That's right. As long as you're not married, they try to put on a front and do not show their true character. Yeah. But once you get married, they show who really they are. And their old problems begin. So, my suggestion is not to get married at all. Until you know,
35, I heard.
there is a saying in my language. We don't buy a cow for a cup of milk. You want to drink a glass of milk.
Yeah.
You buy a cow?
No.
Of course
I
no.
just buy milk. I
Yeah,
bought milk.
that's right. So you see?
So, you mean I should just
Yeah.
a bottle?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So you have freedom.
Okay.
You can choose whoever you want. You have
think
freedom.
about it.
You have
Oh, be careful.
No
This
one's
guy is
going to pick at
driving so
you.
fast.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. I think it's enough for
Yeah.
today. But by the way,
Cheers.
we are in Linhai.
Yeah.
This is a town.
Oh,
This is town city in
I think
China.
they've taken
Zhejiang.
down my advertisements.
Really?
Yeah.
So
They've taken it down.
why?
I
Let's
don't
go.
know. Let's go later.
It's green.
Yeah.
Why did they do that?
Because actually, it was on a limited time.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. So how long was it there?
I think it was
1
there
month?
for 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
So, what do you feel when you have
Yeah, just
your face? Show me your face.
like
please. Right there on the billboard.
like celebrity or something.
What do you
yeah.
feel? How is it to be a celebrity?
It's kind of good, People know you and they say, "Wow, I saw you on the intersection, on the screen, on the big screen, and you're so famous right now." So,
Wow.
oh, okay.
How many persons did tell you this?
How many people? Like maybe 10 people.
10 people.
Yeah.
It's pleasant. It's pleasant.
Kind of.
You're kind of a local star here.
Yeah, so to speak. Yeah.
In Chinese town.
Mm,
So
yeah.
it's not a village, but it's not a big city.
Yeah. It's
It's
kind
too
of
quiet.
like
They
town.
tricked us.
Yeah,
Life
exactly.
here is too quiet for us.
Yeah, I feel deceived.
All right. So
Yeah.
at least they have McDonald's here.
Yeah.
McDonald's, and then we go into
McDonald's.
the gym.
Yep.
And we're going to play billiard.
Billiard.
Billiard. Sounds like a billionaire, but
Yeah.
billiard.
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 Yeah.
I remember one video.
Huh?
The rich millionaire. Do you remember this?
The rich millionaire?
Yeah. One guy in Africa.
Ah.
He was commenting. Oh, here.
Yeah.
Here's the entrance.
Yeah.
So he saw a car, and he was talking like the rich millionaire.
No, I don't remember. Really?
Yeah.
No, I don't remember.
So where are we going?
We're going to
Down to the garden.
yeah,
Take a little trip.
take a little trip and play billiard.
Does it look like a garden? Okay, so we can
Tommy.
find something here to eat.
You want to buy Tommy?
No, it doesn't smell good here, but it's okay. Let's find something like durian. They have dumplings over there. Oh, can we record
The
something?
smell is disgusting, no?
Yeah, yeah, but it's China. It's normal for them. Cigar. Is it tasty? What's that? They sell something.
Really?
Oh, really?
That's how you say
Not really, man. It's like nickname. It's like a nickname. Parrot. Don't ask me why. Wow, you're so confident. Say one more time, piratka.
Piratka.
Wow,
Piratka.
piratka.
The best, the word, one word he knows the best is
Привет.
пойдем,
Пойдем.
пойдем.
Where are we going? I know where we're going. We're going to buy some cigarettes in Shizu. Shizu is a small shop there. So we're going there right now. Why they're looking at me like this? Here, buddy. Tabao.
How about telling them that we want to promote your store to give us free cups of...
Oh, so let's go to.
Huh?
Let's go to.
Are you game for getting some free... I don't know.
But tomatoes.
Free...
What are they selling?
Free, let's say... Free beverage, free food.
Where?
By saying that... Everywhere. By saying that...
We promote you. We can promote you.
your
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah?
Let's shout. I can promote you. Like this. And then bring your food. They're running.
Okay, come here,
Alright.
please.
Oh, I like your accent right now. Hello.
Ni hao.
So let's go to buy cigarettes. Oh. One cigarette. Do you remember the time when in our country you go like someone?
String of cigarettes only?
Is it possible to buy one cigarette? Many years ago in my country it was possible. Like hi, I want to buy three cigarettes.
Likewise.
The same.
Yeah?
I forgot what's the name of the
What's it called in Persian?
cigar. Kent Yoma. Kent Yoma. Kent Yoma. 没有了。
那边比较多一点，
啊，可以，我们走了。
What happened?
They have no cigarettes for us here. They have cigarettes there.
Шицу их не бывает.
Shih Tzu, but I bought. It's Shih Tzu. And there, if you go there this way. Wow,
If it was in summer, there would be so many cockroaches here, yeah?
cockroach. Yeah, probably.
If it was summer, there would be so many cockroaches here.
Yeah, sure.
Just
Можно курильного вот эти мышоники?
really. Jindama.
Бывает.
Okay, let's go.
Jindama.
Jindama.
You know how to say four in my language?
How to say?
Jende.
好吃。
他们都吃过。
可以的。
Okay.
How much? How many? 多少？
6.
Ah,
How about 6, yeah? 2 for each.
low.
2 for each, yeah.
6.
Leo?
Low. Low. 1, 2. So,
So chicken with
what are ingredients?
chicken with egg.
Onion and egg.
Onion and
Onion.
egg.
No meat. Egg and onion.
Oh,
Almost for
Egg and onion.
vegetarians, you know. Almost for vegetarians. Okay.
Who pays? Cameraman, you pay.
let's go
Cameraman.
Dutch.
Cameraman, you pay.
Okay.
Кто снимает, тот и платит.
Okay, let's pay.
啊？
Let me
是
pay.
不是叫来球？
Come here, do traffic here, a lot, something like that.
多少？
I don't know, just act a fool. Then like you
你
know.
们
So
昨天晚上在吃龙虾，
多少
对吧？
20。
20.
龙虾，
20. 20.
What's
昨天晚上在吃龙虾，
20. Till 20.
真不懂，我不知道。
So that's all. Okay, we pay
Это скину потом.
and we gotta go. Max,
Sisa.
are you happy? And then we're gonna. Okay. Then we're gonna fuck maybe. if you are in a good mood. I bought you dumplings. Why you're not loyal? Okay. Oh,
Just for a dumpling, you wanna fuck him?
I expected that he could say me, I don't need your dumplings. I need you. You know.
You didn't even need to buy
That's scary.
dumplings.
I don't know where we're going. Small cars like this. We're going to get a massage. From
get a
them.
massage?
From them.
Why not?
But what's the price for massage? I don't. Mike, can we get better offer here? You think?
Yeah, sure. Happy ending, you mean?
Huh?
Happy ending, you mean?
Happy ending. At least happy beginning. So is it tasty? Can you rate it?
That's good.
That's good.
Что я держал?
Как я буду? How I'm going to carry this shit?
Я по-русски разговариваю. Что ты?
Why? Why we can speak English right now? And after you spread gossips
So oily.
in our first
oily.
language.
Yeah.
Oily.
Okay,
你的
okay.
你的，我不要我不要，
这东西东西。
谢谢。
我们吃夜宵，我请
Can
你
you？
们。
然后你
你是哪里的？
俄罗斯的，
俄罗斯的。我喜欢大埔。俄罗斯大埔。
你要吃吗？
切尔西，
我要睡觉了，
我
我要睡觉了，明天可以。
们吃个夜宵。
我要睡觉了，
你要走，
我很累，
你要睡觉了。
然后我明天可以。
加个微信，加个微信。
微信可以，真的行。
In Taiwan.
不嘞，
And
就是我喜欢大埔。
咱
切尔西，切尔西，
and there's
切尔西
必胜，
可以。
必胜。
OK OK，真的行。
yeah. So if
不去
you
乌兰，
don't use it much. Yeah.
乌兰，
为什么无了？
我喜欢。
The
为
difference
什
俄
么
罗斯我也喜欢中国。
is like, yeah, I also tried
我
it.
们
咱那是最强大。No problem,
No purple。
no
As soon
problem。
as it leaves,
OK，你给
I'll
我，
spit it out.
你给我你的微信。
Chinese,
Chinese。
乌兰。
China.
Заебись.
你累吗？Are you tired？
我不累，
不累
给。兄弟。
你的名字是什么？
韩伦，韩伦，
啊？
韩伦，
韩伦是什么？
就是随便你。
我给你备注，
Chinese, Chinese, Chinese。
这个我给你备注一下。
等一下，有喂。你要什么？
Oh,
不是我
police.
备注一下名字，
啊
我加你。
啊，可以。
我们喝点酒，我请你们，我请你们，请你们，
对对对。
让你们感谢中国的热情，中国的热情
然。后我们走。
行，
嗯，好，OK OK。
好，你的名字是什么？姐，
这个不懂。
你的名字
就是是
什么？
喝点酒，我们聊聊天，
我知道，
吃
我知道
点东。西
你，的名字是什么
然后让你感谢中国，
？What's your name？你的名字是什么？
中国的文化。
不懂，会说中文一点点。
他说中国人很好，他不要，
会说一点点。
Chinese，不要
要不要？好不好？
不要搞得中国人，
我的
中国人
啊可以
我的我的我的。
OK，好的好的。You say something. Hello. Bye bye. 多少？
贵吗？是贵吗？
多少这个？我卖多少？
Chinese，
手臂
手臂。
手表手表手表
呜，
手表。
葡萄牙 C 罗
他问，你的手表。
呜。
好看，谢谢。拜拜，拜拜，
Bye bye.
So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe my channel right now.